Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 24th to the 28th of August 2026 on Monday. News of Kumo's illness rippled through the community. Jack tried to justify his action to Fikile. Ulusi gets shocking news. Tao senses an opportunity. Lulu is angry at Kamo left her on Tuesday. Katlego breaks Kia's heart with her latest decision. Kia makes a decision about Kumo while Fikile struggle with the guilty. Jiwo gonna try to appeal to Jack to do the right thing. Chemo side effects derail Lucy's plan, and Nomasebe meets her idol on Wednesday. With his marriage under threat, Jack is forced to tell Fikile the truth about Kumo. Lucy is forced to deal with the realities of chemo side effects. Ntando finds the man in himself and stands up to his mother on Thursday. Kia is back at work and determined to make her voice heard, wrapping Tao up the wrong way. Lulu isn't sure she's up for a fight, but the moment she decides what to do, an unexpected visitor arrives. Nomasebe finds new inspiration. Lulu adapts to her new look with G-Wagon's boisterous support on Friday. Swazi, in her absence, is still in pain in the Mabaso house. It's Fikile, or it makes Fikile worry about her upcoming wedding that she is busy preparing for. Meanwhile, Ulusi is getting used to her new life with wigs, while G-Wagon continues giving them pet names. On the art side, Nomasebe is connecting with her idol. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.